So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the letters from here and spell your first word. In this example, I'm spelling the word crypto. Now you're going to take the crypto jig and you're going to take the stainless steel washer and place it into the bottom of it. Then you're going to take a piece of blue tape, which is included in the kit, and you're going to tape the stainless steel washer to the bottom of the crypto jig. Then you're going to place this into the crypto block. Now you're going to take the very first letter, which is the letter C, and you're going to have this letter facing outward towards you. Then you're going to take your hammer, hit it 3 times. Then you're going to move it to the next spot, put in the letter R, hit it 3 times. Then you're going to move it to the next spot, put in the letter Y, hit it 3 times. And of course you're going to hit it harder than that, but I'm just using this as an example. And you're going to repeat the process until you spelt your entire word, which in this case is crypto. Then of course the last thing you're going to do is put the numbers at the very top.